babes, welcome back to my channel. So you can tell by the title, I'm going to be showing you guys how I did this really cute slick back look. So your girl did go long and purchased a 26-inch water wave wig. I will leave the information down below in the description box. But right now the only thing I'm doing is when I glue down my lace, I do like to cut it into 3 parts. It is a lot easier for me. So that's the only thing I'm doing right now, and then I'm going to go in with the Bold Hold glue. So your girl trying to come back with the wig videos for y'all, because if you've been on my channel for a while, in the beginning of me posting, I was posting nothing but wig videos, and then I started changing it up just a little bit. But I'm gonna come back with more wig tutorials, so make sure y'all stay tuned. And if you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and a notification bell button, because baby girl, you're already here, so you will be back. And now that I'm looking at the video, y'all, I was kind of just slapping this glue on my head. Well, not just slapping it on there. I wasn't using the dots, basically, because I didn't have that much glue in the tube. So I had to work with what I had, okay? But it did do the job, okay? And if you would like to see a depth tutorial on how to do a ball cap method, I will leave the link down below in the description box. I actually have a video on that. So now after I put all of the glue on my head, now what I'm going to do is wait until the glue turned clear. I guess your girl thought by fanning it helped it out. I don't know if it did or if it didn't. But then I'm going to go in with the second layer of glue. And y'all already know we cannot ignore the lashes though. These are my lash styles called Seductives. If you'd like to purchase a pair, go ahead and DM me on my business Instagram page at fantasybyangel_. Oh yeah, y'all, and I did bleach this frontal and plucked it off camera, of course, and I washed it. But I did go in with the 40 volume developer, and of course I go in with the blue powder. I'm not sure what it's called, but I'll leave it down below. And then of course I went ahead and plucked it and I washed it. So yeah, and then I also put some makeup on the lace just to make it look a little more natural. But like I said, I will be dropping more wig videos, tutorials, or whatever. So stay tuned. I will go in-depth details on my next videos on how I pluck it and how I bleach it or whatever. But yeah, this is how I'm looking after I glued the lace down. And I was really feeling myself, y'all. I'm not gonna lie. But yeah. The crazy thing is, y'all, I was feeling myself, but you didn't even see the slick back though. So y'all gotta stay tuned. So right now, the only thing I'm doing is cutting off my ear tabs, and yeah. So for the ear tabs, y'all, I'm not gonna even lie. When I first started doing wigs, the ear tabs was really difficult for me to do. Like sometimes one side of the wig will be longer than the other side or shorter. It was just too much. So what I started doing is I started seeing a lot of people like gluing down the lace first and then cutting off the ear tabs, and that helped a lot. So just for your information, if you want to, you know, make it easier for you, just go ahead and glue down your lace first and then cut the ear tabs. Trust me, it'll be a lot easier for you. And then when you do, you're gonna think about it, you're gonna be like, dang, Queen Marie did tell me this. That's my girl. So this style was really cute. I may just rock the half up, half down. But yeah, so like y'all see, I did already cut off my lace. Only thing I used was an eyebrow razor. Again, you don't want to cut right across. You do want to make it look a little natural, you know. But yeah, the only thing I'm doing now is taking out my sideburns, and I'm going to get ready to do my baby hairs. So right now, the only thing I'm doing is applying some mousse to my hair because remember, y'all, we doing a slick back look, okay? I'm applying, I don't know if it's Lottie Body, Looty Body, or whatever. Y'all know what I mean, the little blue mousse in a mousse bottle. So yeah, I'm going back with that mousse, and I'm just gonna, you know, try to mold it back a little bit while I do my baby hairs. Now I'm gonna go in with the same mousse just to mold down my baby hairs. Y'all, I'm still a beginner with the baby hair or whatever, but as soon as I get it down point, I will be dropping a video for y'all, so stay tuned for that video. Oh, y'all, and this look was inspired by 𝒟𴏗 on Instagram. If y'all not following him, what are y'all doing, y'all? He is a pro with the wigs. So he did this lick back on Ari, and I don't know what the other girl name is. I forgot her name, but it was super cute. So I was like, bet I can most definitely rock this. So yeah, it's inspired by him. So go ahead and check him out on Instagram. I'm not sure his Instagram name, but I'm pretty sure if you type in 𝒟𴏗, it'll come up. But yeah. Okay, so after I tied on my baby hair, I'm gonna go ahead and wet this hair, y'all. It's the texture for me. Like, y'all gotta stay tuned, because when I say this is the best water wave hair, y'all, I'm gonna leave the info down below in the description box, but it gave me life, like, period. Okay, so now that I wet the hair or whatever, so it could be wet and wavy, I'm going to go ahead and go in with my brush. Remember, y'all, this is going to be a slick back look. So I'm going to go in with my brush just to slick it back just a little bit. I'm going to put some more mousse on it just to, you know, mold down that slick back look. And then we're going to be through, y'all. I'm not going to lie, I was feeling myself. It's the 26 inch for me, sis. I'm gonna go in with the blow dryer, y'all, just because I want to make sure that slick back is really molded down. So I'm gonna go in with my my hair blow dryer, and then I'm really done, y'all. I'm not gonna lie, this look was super cute. It was really easy. So y'all just stay tuned so y'all can see how I look after I take the little scarf off or whatever, so y'all can see me feeling myself, okay? Yes, hunty, it's the slick back for me. Somebody go ahead and tag 𝒟𴏗 in this. Tell him he needs to go ahead and let me be one of his models, because baby girl, baby girl. But anyways, y'all, I really hope y'all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give your girls a thumbs up. Yes, slang it, baby, slang it. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, dolls, and I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Love you, dolls. Bye.